Hey everybody, thanks for clicking in. Hey, today we're looking at a really special property. This is a historic downtown Christiansted property overlooking the Christiansted Harbor. It's not very often that you get a beautiful property like this with an amazing view. The main house is 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, and there's a 1 bedroom, 1 bath guest apartment below. Separate accessory building, 2 cisterns, and like I said before, an amazing view. The other thing that's really cool about this property is you have parking right out front. Parking can be tough in Christiansted town, but here, it's not a problem. You pull right up your private ramp, bam, you're right at the front door. This place is freaking cool. Let's go check it out. And normally I start these videos out front, usually by the front door, and then work our way in. But the view from here is so special, I think we need to check that out first. So let's head out to the patio, which is right off the living room and kitchen area. Check out this view. Unbelievable. You've got due east there, Eliza's Retreat, Schooner Bay, all of Gallows Bay, Altoona Lagoon, then all the way over to the steeple building. Look at that. Just an amazing view. Protestant Cay, or Hotel on the Cay as it's known. Beach, just gorgeous. What an awesome place to just chill out. I mean, they have it set up as a lounge right now, but you could certainly easily convert this into an outdoor dining area. Looking down on the beautiful gardens. I mean, this place is amazing. All right, let's go back inside and check out the rest. Okay, before we head inside, I wanted to show you this really cool pedestrian access to town. If you want to get into town and go to dinner or shops, you can go that way. You can also go back down by the parking area and down that way. So it just depends on where you're going out to dinner. This is a really cool old Danish staircase that leads down to the property. Here's the main house here. And then you just keep coming down. And then right down here at the bottom by that layer of the bricks there, you bank a left into the front door. So here we are at front door level. Now let me show you the parking real quick. I got my truck parked right here, but you got room for another spot there, 2 or 3 more behind. So as you come in, you come up this beautiful historic ramp and then right back out down Church Street. Really cool setup. It's got such beautiful West Indian charm. I just love it. Apartment level, main house level. We're gonna hit that first. Let's go up. Back down those steps, right in the front door. Beautiful front door, love that. Check out this living room, dining room, lots of space in here. Beautiful wood floors, gorgeous tray ceilings, and breezes and views for days coming out all of these beautiful windows that look straight out over the harbor. Just awesome. And then here's your door back out to the patio, door to the garden. And then off here to the left, we enter the kitchen. Super nice kitchen. Nice little breakfast bar here. Beautiful cabinetry. Full-size fridge. Get your dishwasher, double sink. Beautiful little breeze coming through here. Gas range. Stylish beams. Love that look. And then right here, you've got a really cool little library, reading nook. Nice. And then here's a little pantry prep area right off the kitchen. All right, we head down the hall, bank a right, straight into the first guest bedroom. That's a queen size 4-poster bed. This room has direct access out to the gardens through this door. So if you wanted to head out and have a cocktail, that'd be the way to get out. Then here we are in that first guest bedroom. Perfectly located right across the way, past the linen closet, and then into this really stylish full bath with shower. And then here at the end of the hall, we come into a really big laundry room. I mean, this is like almost the size of another bedroom. Full-size washer dryer. I mean, there's a lot of storage. You could put shelving, cabinetry, folding station. Really nice. Okay, that's this level. Back through the little reading nook, and then up these beautiful mahogany steps. We'll check out the bedrooms. Right up to the top of the steps. We got a bedroom to the right and a bedroom to the left. This is the master suite. Let's check this out first. King size bed, beautiful beam work there. Workspace in the corner there. Another little sitting reading nook here. And here you are in this really nice space. Check how that airflow goes all the way across there. Now these closets are really neat. There's 4 of them in the master bedroom, a total of 8 on this level, but tons of storage. I mean, here, I'll open one up. So here's one of the spots. You got another one here, another one there, and another one off in that corner. So plenty of closet space. Not a problem. All right, here's the ensuite bath right off the master suite. Those are tiles, by the way. They look like wood, and they match nicely to the existing historic stuff, but it's actually ceramic tile. And then here you are. Shower with a view. Oh yeah, love that. Nice vaulted ceiling in here. All nicely renovated. And then in here you've got your water closet. Nice and private. More storage for linens there. And then you've got a pocket door. Beautiful bedroom. All right, let's work our way around. Past another little sitting area. Another closet, that's number 5. Then here we are into upper guest bedroom. Set up with twins, awesome view. Check this out. Looking right over Christiansted Harbor there. And then here we are in this beautiful guest bedroom. Same beautiful ceilings above. Lots of good cross ventilation here from window to window. Another closet. There's another closet in the hall. Another one opposite the steps. And there's number 8 right there in the corner. Great VRBO. If somebody's got some work to do, they got to get out of the chatter. This is an awesome setup for people that have to work while they're on vacay. All right, that's the upper level bedrooms. We're going to work our way around through the living room, out the front door, bank a left, and check out the 1-bedroom apartment. Back out the front door, down the ramp, and onto this beautiful Danish brick walkway. Check out this arch. I love this little arch. It's just begging for a little sculpture, like a little bronze or something. Really cool. Now, if you kept going straight, through that gate is the gardens. So if you have renters here that are together, they can go get direct access to the gardens in the back. And then here we are into the 1-bedroom apartment. AC up in the corner. And then here you have a nice setup. Little kitchenette in the corner. And then straight across into the bedroom. Also has AC. And a nice queen bed. Great little downstairs apartment. And then here you've got an ensuite bath, all nicely tiled. Beautiful shower, really big shower. I like that inset there so you can set all your soaps and stuff. Just really nice setup. Okay, all right, that's the downstairs apartment. I'm gonna head back up and we're gonna go check out the gardens. Really nice spot. All right, let's head back up. All right, now I'm up at the top of the gardens looking down. There's an upper walkway that leads up to this really cool little chill bench right here, all mosaics, with an awesome view out over the harbor. All right, down the steps, past the cannonballs, and then here you are on a main level outdoor patio, which I think would be a great outdoor dining room myself. The reason I say that, I'll tell you in a minute. Past the shed, storage shed, and then now we're at garden level. Check out that traveler's palm, frangipani, hibiscus, just gorgeous. That takes you back up into the living room there. Little potting shed area there to propagate some plants. And then this is that gate that leads directly to the apartment. Really sweet. Such a beautiful area. I'm thinking this could be either another guest suite or a cookhouse, like an outdoor kitchen, where you could have your dining out here, you could be grilling out here, have cocktails before dinner right here. I mean, how cool would that be? Super awesome. I love this space. This is so nice. Got the old blue shutters. Gorgeous. All right, guys, I'm gonna take a seat. Hope you liked it. If you wanna check it out, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you. In the meantime, have a beautiful Caribbean St. Croix day. Take care. Until next time. Bye-bye. I really hope you guys enjoyed that property tour. If you did, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking here. Click up here for more videos just like it. We'd love to see you move to beautiful St. Croix. Maybe one of these days we can make one of these awesome properties all yours.